Good evening, Social Cam, Facebook. This is your boy, your nephew, cousin Jeremiah with Gaddy. But holding the camera tonight is Lady Tatiana. I'm excited because I've been trying to try these chips and find them since I first heard about them. And finally, shit to the bullshit. Finally, I could taste these chips. So I thought, let me try them with you Saints to see if they're good or not. Because if they're nasty, I'm pretty much done. But if they're good, I'm gonna start shouting. Okay, ready? Go. Lay's chicken and waffles, flavored idea by Christina Abu Chuban Judam. She's from Phoenix. Okay. That's too big. That's too big. The folded ones. You know the folded ones always the best. Where's my tea? I'll take it for this food. Yeah.
I'm gonna taste it.
Christina Abu what's wrong with you? This ain't good. I'm upset. This don't taste like chicken or what?
What tastes like?
If I can give you a piece of advice, don't vote for this one. Go for the garlic cheese bread. Maybe that's good.
Oh, it's my chicken.
Over and out. Deuces.